Hey everybody, Cale with Melling Performance. Hey, we're excited to announce a new oil pump pressure relief valve plug kit. Part number is M29537. So you might ask why you would need a plug kit for your LS pump. Well, if you've got an LS pump, a lot of times you want to change the pressure relief spring to a higher pressure spring, or maybe you've had something come apart in your engine, you need to take the pump apart to clean it. The plugs are a one-time use deal. They've got thread sealant on them, so if you remove the plug, the thread sealant's no good anymore. You need to replace the plug. To replace the plug, we have a video on our website to replace these plugs, so we'll just run through this real quick. Take the plug out. There's your spring. You can get your relief valve out, clean the pump out, or if you're changing the spring, put your new spring in. Take your new plug, install it. Oop. We've got an instruction sheet that gives you the torque spec. Torque spec for this is 106 inch-pounds. Just like that, you're good to go.